What's up, Motorbeats? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, you know I'll do motorcycle content, I do motor vlogging and reviews on upgrades, install as good as I can because I'm not a technician. So today's video is going to be about Biltwell's relocation mount for your digital gauge if you have a Softail street bomb or if you have a Breakout and you decide to go with handlebars with no riser or clamping area. And that way you need to relocate them, otherwise you won't be able to use the screen. So let's get to the video and unbox the Biltwell product, and after that let's get straight to the install. It's going pretty straightforward and easy and not as long video, so stay tuned and watch it till the end. Boom! I'm always excited to open things like a little kid. Alright, this is how you're supposed to do it. Very good description. So this is how it looks like when it comes out. Let me just open it up. So let's get to the install and I'll see you then. So for everyone who's on a budget, or it's just like, you know, waiting for their dash panel, this is what I did. Look, this is very simple. All you do is just take some zip ties and place it like here, and look, this is like sitting really proper. So in order that you guys can see it better how I did it, I will remove the fairing first and then I'll start the process. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start cutting the zip ties. So this is how it looks like when it's loose. Cable is still connected. I mean, I could disconnect it, but I don't think there's a big need for that. So let's keep rolling and start with the actual process. So I'm going to take the Allen bolts out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the screws which came with the screen in order to mount the one part of the mounting kit, and then we're going to attach it to the handlebars. So let's stay tuned. So one thing I wanted to note is that the stock clamping area from Harley, Davidson and the riser, look at it, this is super heavy. Honestly, I'm not exaggerating, but this is like over a pound, like at least like 1.5 pounds. Like, come on, it's like, why would you put so much extra weight for nothing? I mean, it's not like a part which is like exposed to some extremes, you know. This should be like super light alloy or something, you know. I don't get it, you know. But anyways, let's move on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually remove it, and that way it's easier to work for me. No, that was not as good. Thank you, clumsy person. But anyways, so I removed it now. I'm gonna basically attach it like that. Yeah, that's good. Let's see. Nope, the rubber's not aligned. There you go. So as you can see now, it is aligned. Now what we're gonna do is use a stock screw with a Torx head. It's a T15, and the Allen we use on the main bolts is going to be a 5/16, just if I didn't mention it yet. So I'm going to tighten that down and I'm going to be back. Alright, everything is tight and snug. Let's connect it to the handlebar, and last but not least we're going to just plug in the connector again. Pretty straightforward. So since my bars are 1 and 1 1/4 thick, you have to remove these inside panels. These are for the 1-inch handlebars. I was just thinking that what I'm gonna do with these, you know. So basically now we're gonna do this and slowly tighten them, hand tighten them with the bolt in there. To be honest, I'm not too worried about it if the handlebars get stretched, because honestly, they're anyways behind the fairing, and plus also, I mean, it's not like I'm gonna maybe have them forever. I might feel like changing them, and then it doesn't really matter. And worst case, you can always powder coat them if you're going for something else, you know. All right. So as you can see, the cable for the screen, for the digital screen, actually is pretty decently long, so you can actually almost go like this. So it's up to you where you want to have them. I mean, I'm gonna start like with a medium height, and I'm gonna take it then from there. So let's see, I might go a little bit higher. I guess this is gonna work like this. All right, so I'm gonna tighten it down. I'm not gonna use a Loctite yet because I'm not sure where I'm gonna like it. But once I find that position, I'm gonna put some blue Loctite on it as well to have it like semi locked in, because the handlebars do have some vibration, and it's critical that these things sit tight, you know. So as of now, I'm gonna just like tighten them as good as possible. There we go. So all tightened up. So let's take a look. All right, so this is how it looks like once it's installed. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's see how the view is once I'm sitting on the bike. So the way it's as now, I mean, honestly, I would probably go with the screen a little bit down, because the neutral, the oil lamp and engine light is pretty clear, but the angle of the odometer is not as great, so I have to like actually put it a little bit down. As you can see here, this is my angle. Hold on, like this. So a little bit more down, and then it should be fine. Alright, this positioning is already much better. I will try it out and see how I like it, and we'll take it from there. You can always do these adjustments. It's very easy. So I don't have a lot of skills when it comes to working on bikes. It's just like I just try myself. I'll take a chance. That's what it is, you know, and that's how you learn it actually. I mean, I even did my exhaust myself, so which I was like really afraid of before, and had help from my friend. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. So until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Woo!